Drishti, connecting India village by village. The Drishti Group is a national level network orchestrator for delivering fee-based services to the rural population through ICT kiosks. The services include e-governance, computer education, health, Photoshop, insurance, communications services, local services, village-to-business e-commerce, BPOs involving villages, agriculture rural financing, and retail for FMCGs and consumer goods. Drishti has been working on rural ICTs since the year 2000 with the presence of about 1019 kiosks in 63 districts of 10 states of India. Due to remoteness and lack of basic infrastructure in rural villages, various services are unable to reach the intended target. This also holds true for government programs and efforts. Drishti has put in place a system of servicing rural areas. In this context, they are providing services to the rural community at very affordable rates. In addition, they are also imparting the computer education and training linking artisan to the markets and also providing an opportunity for rural and part-time journalists to voice their views. Drishti has adopted a commercial model to achieve its objective of delivering services to rural areas through a network of franchise entrepreneurs using information and communication technology. The model is centered on developing entrepreneurs who would run franchise kiosks to provide services towards rural community. Their choice of villages or regions are not based on needs, rather on where an entrepreneur is located. The strategy is to promote only one kiosk in a village. Some of the services offered by CEEP computer courses are step-by-step towards English proficiency, agri-queries, e-governance, business process outsourcing, and rural e-commerce. It has a presence in 10 states and 63 districts in India. In Bihar, it has 45 plus kiosks in Madhubani and 2 to 3 in Darbhanga. One kiosk services approximately 1 Gram Sabha. Drishti's entrepreneurship model has created local employment opportunities, especially for women, and is slowing rural migration to the cities and building confidence and hope for the future within rural communities. For example, in Bihar, so far around 375 people have been trained, 150 Madhubani paintings have been sold, and a low-cost rural distribution for critical goods and services like agricultural products, batteries, and eyeglasses have been achieved. Drishti, connecting India village by village.